Today, we're getting straight into the takeover of Infas Holdings, the German market research company, by Ipsos, the French market research company. Ipsos has offered to pay 61.2 million euros for Infas, the equivalent of €6.80 per share. This is compared to a spot price for Infas shares of just €4.10. This transaction is about as straightforward as they come, and the returns demonstrate true German efficiency. Taking a long position in Infas and holding until the close of the deal will see an investor earn an expected return of 65.85%, which translates to an annual return of 209.01%, or a risk-adjusted return of 197.4%. Given the high returns on offer, the absence of a short position, dividends, or other complications, an investor may wish to apply 50% leverage to juice their returns on the deal. In this scenario, the expected return would increase to 130.13%, for an annualized return of 413.03%, which equates to a risk-adjusted return of 390.05%. If you think this is a good result, you should hit the like button to boost your own returns. The question with this deal is, why are the returns so high? There are a number of factors that are apparent here which make the transaction appealing. First, the deal is relatively small, which means the offered price is way above the spot price. Plus, there are unlikely to be regulatory concerns. Second, Infas is primarily controlled by 4 shareholders who own in excess of 77% of the company, all of whom are in favor of the takeover. Third, the timeline is expected to be relatively short, which significantly boosts the expected annual rate of return. The large spread and high probability of success in this deal results in an even money probability of just 10.11%, one of the lowest we have ever seen. So, did you manage to take a position in the deal when it was first announced? The share price of Infas has now jumped close to the takeover price, which will seriously dent the expected returns of latecomers to this party. What do you guys think of this takeover? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and follow if you found this video useful. Be aware that all the figures mentioned are at the date of my calculations and will change in line with the share price of the company, any change to the takeover price, and the duration to close. As always, this information is provided for educational purposes only. You should not consider anything in this video to be investment or financial advice, nor a recommendation or endorsement to buy or sell any financial instrument. You should always conduct your own research before considering any investment and seek independent financial advice. Thank you, and until next time, enjoy life.